an appeal to all of us, Sementia Farms, ABF Fund, GIZ, and all donor partners to really support these grassroots farmers. We actually came here, we targeted 150 farmers to come and educate. And like we see from the background, there are even more than 400 farmers who really showed interest. And most of the personnel were coming were on AI. Is it possible that AI can be done?
In July of 2025, in the Afram Plains of Ghana, Farming in Africa, in partnership with GIZ, brought farmers and community leaders together for a transformative training. Led by Prince Opong, our head of operations, and supported by a team of trainers, the sessions were designed to be more than lectures. They were very interactive, they were practical, and grounded in the daily realities of farming. Participants learned improved livestock management, animal health, and feeding practices. They explored modern housing systems, climate-smart techniques, and record-keeping for better decisions. Now, let's hear directly from the facilitator and the district's livestock health officer who were present at the training.
I'm Daniel Kwabineje, District Director of Agrics at Afram Plains. I must say that the program has been very successful. In fact, the number of people that trooped to this program, we never expected that huge number. The people have come for the program. And if you look at people's participation, you could realize that the people are in need of the training. And for that matter, we want to say that we can repeat. If we are able to repeat this program, it will be very nice. And we want to also appeal to donors and all those people who are helping Sementia Farms. And Sementia Farms especially. You know, our attention on livestock when it comes to the district is very low, especially on the side of the farmers. So with this training, it has exposed the farmers and even the agric officers to a number of issues that we need to address. Talking of feeding, talking of breeding, talking of medication. So we wish to plead to all the people who matter to also come to the aid of the people. The crop farmers are getting some incentives, some subsidies about fertilizer, about inputs. But when it comes to the livestock farmers, they find it challenging. So we want to appeal to all the agencies who can help to also assist us, especially in vaccination. If they could subsidize the prices of the vaccine for us, I think that will help us.
All right, thank you so much, Director. I think they also did mention that there's a cost of inbreeding. Is it true? Do we have inbreeding within the community?
Yes, it's a major challenge in the district. You know, normally the animals are on free range. And so any animal can mate the male can mate the female at any time. There is no control. And even in the same pen, the young one can even mate the mother. So you realize that the kind of case they will bring out, you see the growth is stunted. You see that some are even dying. And it's a challenge. Inbreeding is a challenge. So when we get the opportunity where artificial insemination can be done here, where other stock can be brought from outside to come and also mate our animals here, I think it will help us.
Thank you so much. So like we all heard from Director, it's an appeal to all of us, Sementia Farms, ABF Fund, GIZ, and all donor partners to really support these grassroots farmers. We actually came here, we targeted 150 farmers to come and educate. And like we see from the background, there are even more than 400 farmers who really showed interest. And most of the personnel were coming were on on AI? Is it possible that AI can be done? And if so, can they be beneficiaries of it? Which is really, really, really important. So we thank you so much, Director, for making this thing happen. And we'll go back to Sementia Farms and let all stakeholders get to know the good things that we're doing.
Yeah, Sementia Farms, we also thank you. And we appreciate your coming.
Thank you.
Farmers left not only with new knowledge, but with the confidence to apply it and the responsibility to pass it on.
Some of the farmers are mobile for training, See, memo be able to do not change me baby free. I hire such a front planes. Grow your friend is saying. Some so. Now, what for no one here?
Bacho, only say.
Your friend was saying.
Some say.
Some so here. I also here.
Bacho, me for here, feature here.
To also free Kumoya. Also free Samso. Also free Samso. Also Samso. Very good. Now, training ya be what dear no free. Obi abe Canada. No me say free.
Me bacho, omo training for emoye ho. Emoye nso wo ye emanfa so de bebre obetimi anya sika obenya nam afiri mu e na omo bi nso obetimi ade akọ afum akopeti afum esama first udi ade na no ba ne be kama
nice one ma me na won so ye de na usua ye
pa cha de me sua ense se sabi o me wo akora wo school me ni sika betimi achi abo ne bi aton na me de ahwe akora ne school amanda achi aye
wonderful
na manhu me mo ane yen ene ma emo ani wen ti se na nyame adom na ma betie ne me wo kakra wo ha me nso mehwe su ye se ne be ada achi me be ko school a metimi ayi bi aton de ahwe no education
good. So what she's trying to say that she's now knows the importance of livestock farming, and that even when one child gets admission, she can easily take one of the animal cells and use the proceeds to fund for the education.
This training was an investment in people, a step toward stronger farms, healthier animals, and resilient livelihoods.
Thankfully, I have one of the facilitators of today's session with me. He's a professional vet. It's a member of Nuano, by no introduction of all. Now I train, said, you may be a more reaction at saying, I didn't know Musia, and you know, all right.
Your friend, Enoch Amponsan, me a veterinary ewo such a farm place. And that training, I am very interesting. Maybe can make that Sementia farms fast. A highly difficult say, a bit me this number of farmers, a 2 or 4 normal year training. And so, the young passes saw the Mabaha, then this huge number of people, almost 3 various communities around here. About it here in church. In fact, it was very good training. Look at the response and the question that came. As the people were just listening to what we were saying, they were interested in what we are also teaching them.
Okay. So looking at some of the topics treated, then what can PPR want some pan? Which member also be and idea what community?
Good. Yeah, me can PPR want some. One of the scheduled diseases be a heart such a farm plains. I can say every year be a outbreak a war. Wow. What some of the communities a war district in have. A bit more high, yet mean or more report to my veteran was for true severance and and information. Some of the communities are far beyond and who are quiet and 2 months can cry. Who are 1,000 local severance number. Oh, yeah, DBC, same say about a woman be beside question be said. Name one in a year, yeah, they been a coon, but through the interaction, we say a bit more PPR and a coon. PPI idea high and war. This is Muhapa and the best say training bit me a question and post a Sementia farms. If there's any found be a bit me about my 80 farmers and true bus listening, just any budget.
Yo, so now kind of say, and more be of a bit me at the Aboa and community budget. Now, PPR no, see a cassia point. Say, a whole corner, how much does it involve to actually fight this?
Okay, PPR on the and a whole corner and yet was as at now, no, you just think the university of Boba could be a about 10 cities per head, 10 Ghana cities per animal, and a edge warm. Okay, this is Muhana. One be local business in Kwane war. And people are also they like our animals and say Yamu breed in be ever Friday, the animal, and say, my one item, I come on my senior, Yepenam. GIZ Edamasi, my dear Pai, so Monkoswana Monso, Semesia farms as snake. Now Momwa, 1920 farmers, now at least Feed Ghana program or Mampenny de Bano, a bit about translating my Abua. In fact, most of our farmers know they are all crop farmers, but who interest any profitable in animal farming, I think say a bit now bomb sharing as.
All right, yeah, that's it. So just to give us a summary of what he's talking about, he's appealing to the GIZ, the ABF Fund, EU, and Sementia Farms, FIA Global, that if we could even come to their aid in terms of vaccination, it costs 10 Ghana cedi per one animal. So as many as we can, so that we can actually vaccinate the animals and prevent PPR from infecting them, because it's a major cost. And like he was trying to explain to us, last year they had a major outbreak and many of the animals died within the community. So it's a thank you from him to us, and also a thank you to all our stakeholders for making this happen. And you can see from the background, they are so excited about the initiative. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you, sir.
So much. So farming in Africa, any GIZ, ABF fund, no, you're trained, you know, at the other BP such a Afran plains and the Jumedi BD, no, Papa, no boy. Remember, no one casa, why introduce no home, no, I send your program no home.
Okay. What me that say? Said you all cano. Yes, so you have no training, step that training, no. Farming in Africa, any GIZ, organizing, no. This is our last community. Yes, started free. It's a Kwan boot. Yeah, training 90, and then the last one, yeah. And so far, the attendance, it was not expected that to that level. Say, okay, in Nipa, a buyer, almost 400 farmers, livestock farmers. In general, it's good.
Yes,
it has been good.
Yes, don't bother they are saying. Because me and Kasa, yes, I say, I'm saying Nipa bears 100 and now 150, but if they do and almost 400 farmers, they have benefited from the training, which is so very, very, very important.
Yes.
Now, you share a more mobile and additional now, say,
yeah, Prince, I say, may catch us say, Yahani, female farmers here, they are into livestock production. It's a penna you are constructed for one beneficiary. They are very cooperative. And they say they made a woman. Training ye a be woman after quite first or and more briar abba. And not dancing a combat from some more at Bianin, no many. Another opportunities in so be the more mamma was say, Queerjumano yet say all door broom. And more yen so you may any baswa and also bit me abwa. And the training no abwa training abwa engineer because say abwa
going forward, then I'll be catching family in Africa, need GIZ for.
Yes, Prince one say me didn't say Yahano dear animals dear, yeah. Name ye queer for no so here entity training. Say any training be a farming in Africa moving yano. Now ye course was ceremony. Say ye my way ends to yen mongo other communities, you know, because I have cried the community view yen district almost the animals are more than the human beings there. Every household be our small ruminants. In the Akonya Biba Dacia, now Marka is a family for now most are the other training about.
Yeah, that's the part. So just to give us a wrap of what he just said, is advocating that ABF Fund, EU, and all the donor organizations should continue to partner with entities such as Farming in Africa to ensure that step-down training will go very down to the grassroots and farmers can really benefit. And like you rightly said, there are some communities just behind this community. There are so many livestock and small ruminants, even more than human beings, and they need such practical training to know the best way and the standard way of doing livestock farming. All right, Eben, that's it.
Together, Farming in Africa and GIZ are shaping a future where agriculture is dignified, where agriculture is profitable, and where agriculture is sustainable.